We'll guide you through how to create VSCode snippets, making your coding workflow faster and more efficient. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your desktop. Go to the top menu and click on File, then choose Preferences, and from there, select User Snippets. You'll see a list of languages, so choose the language you want to create a snippet for. For example, if you want to create a snippet for JavaScript, select javascript.json. This will open a JSON file where you can define your custom snippets. Now, in the JSON file, you need to create an object with a key that represents your snippet name. Inside this object, define a prefix, which is the shortcut text you'll type to trigger the snippet. Then, add a body, which is an array of strings that represents the lines of code you want to insert. Each line of code should be a separate string in the array. You can also include placeholders using $signs and curly braces, like $1 placeholder, to create dynamic fields that you can quickly fill in after the snippet is inserted. Optionally, add a description to remind you what the snippet does. Save the file, and your snippet is ready to use. Test it by typing the prefix in a file of the corresponding language and press Tab to expand it. This method allows you to speed up repetitive coding tasks and maintain consistency across your projects. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.